Hello friends, welcome to Library Facts. Today we're going to discuss about a very important topic, library automation. Let's explore this in detail. Library automation refers to the use of technology, primarily computer software, to perform traditional library tasks such as cataloging, circulation, and acquisitions in a more efficient, accurate, and user-friendly manner. The goal is to make library services more efficient, accurate, and convenient for users. Libraries have a large number of books and other resources. Managing them manually is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. Automation can make this process faster, easier, and more accurate. Additionally, users can easily find their favorite books and make better use of the library. The benefits of automating library operations are manifold. Here are some of the most significant advantages. 1. Faster data processing. Automation allows for quick listing of books and processing of issue and return transactions. 2. Accuracy. Computer-based processes reduce the chances of errors compared to manual entry. 3. Time saving. Both users and librarians save time, increasing the library's overall efficiency. 4. User-friendly access. Users can access library services online anytime, such as searching for books, reserving them, and checking their account information. 5. Report generation. Reports on library activities can be easily generated, which is essential for management and analysis. There are several software programs available for library automation. Some of the key ones include 1. KOHA, an open-source library management software that is fully customizable and widely favored by librarians globally. 2. SOUL, developed by Inflibnet, this comprehensive library automation software is quite popular in Indian libraries. 3. eGranthalaaya, developed by the National Informatics Centre (NIC) of the Government of India. This software is designed specifically for Indian contexts. 4. libsys, a commercial library automation software known for its advanced features. The process of automating a library involves several steps, each of which must be carefully planned and executed. 1. Digitization of collection. The first step involves converting all books, journals, and other resources into digital format. 2. System implementation. The chosen software is installed on the library's computer system, and data is entered accordingly. 3. Training. Librarians and staff are trained to use the software effectively. 4. User integration. Library members are linked to the software through profiles, enabling them to use library services through their accounts. While the benefits of library automation are clear, the process is not without its challenges. 1. High cost. Purchasing and installing the software for library automation can be expensive, which may be challenging for smaller libraries. 2. Technical issues. Occasionally, technical problems may arise in the system, disrupting library services. 3. Need for training. Proper training is required for staff to work with the new software, which can be time-consuming. 4. Data privacy and security. With the shift to digital systems, libraries must also be vigilant about data privacy and security. Library automation is no longer a luxury. It is a necessity in today's information-driven world. It transforms the way libraries operate, making them more efficient, user-friendly, and capable of handling the growing demands of modern users. If you found this video informative, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Library Facts to stay updated on all things related to libraries. Thank you.